I'm going to show you how to fit and plumb an entire toilet system. Start by installing all the components in the system. Slide the 2 bolts into position, fit the rubbers onto the filling and flush valve, place them into position. Then tighten the bolts up at the bottom by hand. Sit the system on top of the rubber washer, sliding the 2 bolts into position. Apply the wing nuts below, tighten these up by hand. Attach the flexible hose to the filling inlet and tighten it with a spanner. Place the pan connector over the back of the pan. Mark up on the floor tiles where the pan's going to sit. Drill your holes and fix your brackets in position. Then run a line of clear multi-use adhesive around the base. Sit this on a couple of packs to start with. Connect the flexi hose to your 15mm mains and tighten it up with your spanners. Now drive the screws in through the toilet into the brackets to hold it into position. Remove the packs and run a clear line of silicone around the base. Install your toilet seat and then apply a line of white silicone. Like and follow Mr. and Mrs. DIY for more videos.